Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I will start with the video on the chapter Occupations in India. My dear kids, if you have missed the video on this chapter Occupations in India, do check the link in the description box below. So in this video, we will be taking about all the question answers which are given at the end of the book exercise. So without much wasting time, let's start the video. Now let us start with answer the following questions briefly. Question number 1. Name the types of rural occupations. The answer is the types of rural occupations are number A farming, number B animal husbandry, number C forestry and number D mining. Kids, please write the answer of these 4 types of rural occupations in your notebook. Moving on to question number 2, name some common animal-based farming practices. The answer is some animal-based farming practices are number A cattle farming, number B goat and sheep farming, number C poultry farming and number D fishing. Please write the name of these common animal-based farming practices in your notebook. Now with question number 3, write 3 uses of wood. The answer is 3 uses of wood are number A making furniture, number B railway sleepers and number C matchboxes. Moving on to question number 4, what is a factory? The answer is the place where things are manufactured is called a factory. Number 5, name 4 crops that farmers grow. The answer is the crops that farmers grow are number A fruits, number B vegetables, number C pulses and number D cereals. Kids, please write the answer of these 4 crops and also draw them in your notebook along with the names. Now kids, let's move on to the long questions which are given at the end of the chapter Occupations in India in your book. Question number 1. What is animal husbandry? The answer is animal husbandry is the agricultural practice of raising and breeding livestock. Moving on to question number 2. What is mining? The answer is the process of digging out earth for useful minerals and ores is called mining. Now question number 3, what is dairying? The answer is cattle like cows and buffalo give us milk which is used for making products like ghee, butter and cheese. This occupation is called dairying. If you like the video, my dear kids, do hit a like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more further updates on social studies. Thanks for watching and keep learning.